Hi, I am Nisha Siripurapu and I welcome you all back to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. In today's video, I am going to share my recipe of wheat and oat flour banana pancake. Well, this is a very simple, healthy and a yummy recipe, and it is an excellent breakfast option for diabetics. So for sweetness, I have already added banana in it, but again, if you find it less sweet, you can go ahead and add a little bit of stevia. So without wasting much time and without talking too much, let's check out the video. Thank you so much. So here comes wheat and oat flour pancake. Very simple, very tasty and a very easy recipe. So this is a very good breakfast option for diabetics, and if you are non-diabetic, you can have with butter, honey or maple syrup. Otherwise, like this also it tastes equally good. So on that note, I sign off, and yes, please do subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen by clicking on my picture above. And see you again next week with a new recipe. Till then, stay blessed. Thank you so much.